Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to undo in Asana. All right. To undo an action in Asana, just use the standard keyboard shortcut. That would be Ctrl+Z on a Windows computer. If you're using Mac, just press Command+Z. Okay. For example, I've added these letters right here. Now to undo again, Ctrl+Z. All right. Or Command+Z on Mac. Now, for example, you have deleted an item, okay? For example, this AD right here, just right click on it, okay? Hit on delete. As you can see, this task has been deleted, but you can just easily click on undo right here, okay? This button or pop-up will show, okay? Make sure to click on it before the notification disappears, because if it did disappear, you cannot Ctrl+Z, right? As you can see here, Ctrl+Z is not working. So how do we find the deleted task or deleted item? Okay, so basically just go to the top right and click on this find icon. All right, click on it. Now click on the three dots. Go ahead and click on go to advanced search. Now in here, just select the type of item that you wanted to retrieve. Okay, for example, we have deleted a task earlier. So select task, the status, make sure right here that it is set to deleted. Okay, then hit on search. And here we have the deleted item. So to restore it, just hover your mouse onto the delete button. Okay. As you can see here, the icon changes. That means that you can click on it to undelete the item or restore it. Okay. Just click on it. And once done, go back to your project. And here you have it. That is it. That's how you undo in Asana. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.